Good afternoon. And then, yes, she is. There she is. She's waking up. Anyway, we are here today about opening the box. This is the new box for Paper Pumpkin for the month of April. Whoop, whoop. And it is called Change is Beautiful. So, you're sure I'm still going to open it up, right? All right, so I'm going to do the opening up. I've got that honor, and she gets to look on and see what's in. So let's go down to the hands and see what we got in this month's box, because we're going to be trading this tomorrow, Sunday, April the 24th at 4 p.m. with Zoe and Nana stamping. Yep, we'll have to see who leads off tomorrow. All right, let's go see what's in this box. Let's see what we got here. All right, you ready? You ready? Oh, well, this talks about next month, so I'll let you have this one. This just talks about how beautiful it's going to be, bright and beautiful next month. And we have some butterflies. Oh, you like this here? It says, every day is a new day. You know, there's one thing I love. I don't know about you. The Paper Pumpkin, they always have some very nice things in here. It says, you'll have to read some of the others because I don't have my glasses on. We are so proud of who you can't see. You've become. I know, it's very inspiring though. You'll have to read that. You can see without glasses. And we have, look here, Melon Mambo. Are you ready for this? This is where it gets all exciting. I always like to see the envelopes. What part do you like to see? The cardstock? The bling? I know you're not worried about the instructions, but here are the instructions. So looky there. There's some very bold looking cards there. And look here. Looks like it's got some very dark color this time. Oh my gosh, you and Aunt Jennifer are being hog heaven with that. Let's see. See what else is in here. Let's open it up. See what we got in here. You know, I used your scissors. Oh, there we go. Let's see what's in here. I see you taking that. See if you can read the words on the stamps there. I couldn't read the words on the stamps on my glasses. Let's see what the envelopes look like. Oh, looky here. Yeah, no. I got some envelopes here that I can slice and dice and do something with them. Let's see what else I got here. Oh, some pink. Oh, looky there. Some multicolored. Oh, you know I'm going to go for those real quick. I know. Look at the pink. You like those pink. Oh, look here. Oh, these are some nice gemstones, too. Looks like little moons or something there. See, the nice thing. No, look at them. Ones. Looky here. Those are like shimmery rocks. Is that what it is? It looks like them, but they're shimmery. Yeah. It's very pretty. Oh, looky here. Oh, wow. These are trifold cards. Looky there. And they're already scored. See how they're already scored? Right here. There's another line right here. I don't know how they want us to fold them, so I'm not going to mess them up yet. But that's cool. That's the first time we've got some scored cards like this. So that's very nice and different, but very colorful. It's definitely very colorful. Look at there. We're not used to having black on the outside. First time we've had black. Oh, yeah, with some very pretty colors. What we got? How many cards we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and look here. What else here? We got oh, look here. They got the caterpillar. They got the butterfly. So we got a couple of those. And again, here we got some more right here. Oh, look here, you got moon and stars in here. Oh, you're going to have some punch outs. Oh, look at there. Oh my gosh. So it's got two sides to it here, but you get to punch it out. See how you can punch that out? Well, I look forward to this tomorrow night. So how many cards that gives us totally? We got about 6 cards, 9 cards. We usually have at least 9. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it looks like we got 9 cards. 9 cards with how many designs? Where's our thing here? Give us our instructions. So, here's your instructions right here. It shows you that we've got the 3 different designs. I like the fact this could be night and day. You just flip it around. Oh, we saw that one right there. So there we go. Looks like we've got 9 cards total. Very, very pretty. All right, well, we look forward to it tomorrow. What else, Zoe? Do you have anything else you want to add? Nothing else? All right, so looky back here. We want to thank you for joining us on Opening the Box. And we look forward to seeing you on Sunday at 4 o'clock p.m. where we're live. And we'll give away door prizes, right? We give away 3 door prizes last Sunday of every month. So if you said hi, anything that we can at least acknowledge that you're there, put your name in the drawing, we do it. All right, see you on Sunday. Be blessed and have a great day. It's beautiful here in Austin, Texas. And we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.